Hello, principals. If you're looking to monitor personalized instruction in your building on iReady, this video will walk you through kind of a broad overview of the look fors on that. So when you first sign into the platform using your administrator credentials, you'll land on the home page, and you'll see from there you have the monitor personalized instruction as kind of the first thing you could see. So clicking either reading or math will take you exactly where you want to go. If you needed to go the long way, so you're looking at some other things, you could also look at this through assess and teach, instruction, personalized instruction, and you still have the same options, reading or math. So either one of those get you to the same spot. This is a spot we're trying to get to right here, your personalized instruction summary. If you have multiple buildings, you could choose between your buildings. If you only have one building, it should just default, hopefully, to the building you're the principal of. So I'll go ahead and just choose the Cypress Elementary here for these demonstration purposes. And what you'll see, it'll default to the current week. You'll see an overview of the lesson time on task for the current week, lessons passed for the current week, as well as year to date. So you can always compare, this week, how that compares to the year so far. Our goal here is 70% or above with our students passing, which 70% is considered passing. So 70% of our students scoring 70% or better within their personalized instruction. And then our time on task, our goal is that 45-minute sweet spot, but that range of 30 to 49 is considered fantastic. And if we work on an error, we prefer to err on the side of more as opposed to less, but really we want everybody to be in that third tier here of 30 to 49 minutes. And then if you scroll down, that's where you'll see a breakdown of each grade level. And two very helpful columns down here are domains shut down for the grade level, which means students are not receiving instruction in at least one of the domains for that content area. And you also have the domains about to be shut down. So students who are in danger of having a shutdown domain is that second column. Now be mindful, those two columns are only viewable from the current week. As I'm about to show you, if you go look at last week, which is, perhaps more helpful for time on task because it gives you a full view of what a whole week's worth of instruction look like, you will lose those two columns. So you do kind of have to toggle back and forth from time to time. But you will see lesson time on task for last week, lessons passed for last week, as well as year to date, and then those same breakdowns below, just without those first two columns of domains and domains in danger of failing. And then, can I get the picture there? Same thing for last month. If you want to look at the entire last month, or if you had a custom date range, if you want to look at quarter one versus quarter two or whatever, you could type in custom date ranges as well. To drill down to specific teachers, if so inclined, we'll go back to current week here. If you want to take a look at first grade teachers specifically instead of first grade as a whole, click on that grade level. That'll show you the average for that grade level and these nice little graphs and whatnot up top. And then your teachers below with those same breakdowns from the previous screen, but this time instead of grade level, it's teacher. And if you want to drill down to the actual class level, so the individual teacher, click on that teacher's name. And same thing now, this is going to be the time on task for that specific teacher, lessons passed for that specific teacher, and then below, a breakdown for individual students. And this is where you see that alert column, which again, very helpful. Will tell you students who are in danger of having a domain being shut down, or students who actually do have a domain shut down. And we'll be using the next video to show how teachers can go through and remedy that. As always, though, if you have any questions, in this case about personalized instruction summary through iReady, please let me know. Thanks.